In order to save a plan in the project, we use save plan. We just need to specify the number of episode, sequence, plan, and ID, and then we just click save. Now the plan is saved in the project. In order to access it, we use load plan. Load plan lists all sequence and plans of the project, like first episode, first sequence, and first plan that we just saved. In the saved plan, in addition to specify the sequence plan, we can add notes that whoever who works in this project can read these notes. It can contain how to animate the plan or comments from layout man or animator. We can edit or delete any of these notes. And in the case that this note is important note and we would like to be seen by the user, we can check the important. And if we check the important and save, every time we open the plan, since the important checkbox is checked, we get a message box and the user can read the note. So we can save the note as important if we really would like to be seen. In the save plan or load plan, there's some other properties of the plan, like how many characters, how many environments, how many objects, backgrounds, cameras, start frame, end frame, and what's the total number of frames. All these properties are in load plan as well. Total number of the frame also helps the animator to calculate how much of the work is done or how much they have worked. Every time a plan is saved, automatically there is also a backup saved, and we can always access these backups. Therefore, never we lose any plan, and by every time saving we get a backup. If we want to completely remove one plan from the project, we should previously remove all the backups from the projects, so we can just remove it completely. Otherwise we cannot delete the plan. And once the last backup of the plan is deleted, then it means that we don't need that plan anymore, and then it's automatically deleted. When the time I'm working on the plan and I would like no one else to access during my work, I can lock the plan. Then we can check the save lock. Save lock means that this plan is saved. This plan is locked for the user Mehdi, and as long as I have not removed the checkbox and then saved it, no one can access or modify the plan. In the approval box we can define what is the status of the plan we are going to save. Layout is finished, layout is approved by the layout supervisor, animate is finished, or the animate is approved by the animation supervisor. And this helps us to sort by color code, so sort the plans based on their phase and based on their status. For instance, this plan, episode first, sequence first, plan first, is saved normally, and here we can see it in black. Now I save it once again, but this time plan 2 and click on layout finished. Now in the plan list, this plan is in blue color. This color means that the layout is finished. And now if I go to choose plan 3 and then check layout approved and then save, and once more plan 4 as animated finish, and then one more example, plan 5, which I take animate approved. Now in the plan list we can see the plan which is in layout phase. The layout is finished, the one has approved in layout, the one has animation is finished, and the one in which the animation is approved.